Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Mark Brandon, an associate professor at the School of Medicine in the Department of Psychiatry at the Douglas Hospital Research Center at McGill University. As a neuroscientist, my research aims to unpack the complex ways our brains encode and recall spatial and contextual memories. Today, I'm excited to present another installment of our publication series. This series is designed to demystify the intricate details of neuroscience research and make it accessible and engaging to all. In this episode, we will explore the remarkable resilience of hippocampal context representation amidst neural drift, highlighted in our 2022 study published in Nature Communications. The paper, titled "The Representation of Context in Mouse Hippocampus is Preserved Despite Neural Drift," was led by Dr. Alexandra Keinath. Here we studied how the hippocampus, a critical brain region for memory, manages to maintain representation of context even as individual neurons within it exhibit changes over time, a phenomenon known as neural or representational drift. In this study, we tracked large populations of hippocampal CA1 neurons in mice, each day over the course of 1 month. We employed a geometric morph paradigm, where mice navigated environments of systematically varying shapes. This allowed us to observe how these neurons respond to spatial contexts over time. We discovered that despite significant neural drift at the individual cell level, the overall hippocampal representation of different spatial contexts remained remarkably stable across several weeks. We go on to show that neurons most sensitive to changes in the shape of the context were the cells that remained the most stable across time. This suggests that a robust underlying network mechanism that allows the hippocampus to maintain a consistent spatial map over long periods. This finding is critical for understanding how the brain encodes long-term memories and maintains spatial coding over time. It also provides insights into how neural systems compensate or adapt to internal changes while preserving essential functions. Overall, this research shows that representational drift is not a homogeneous phenomenon. Essential representations formed in your brain remain stable across time. Such research not only advances our understanding of the brain's memory systems, but also has implications for addressing and treating memory-related disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, where spatial memory often deteriorates. Are representations in the hippocampus less stable across extended time in advanced aging or in Alzheimer's disease? I expect our field will have answers to this in due time. Thank you for joining me today as we discussed how the brain's memory circuits manage to keep their navigational maps intact despite continuous internal fluctuations. Stay tuned for more episodes where we'll continue to unravel the complexities of the brain's navigation and memory system.